Temperature and humidity recorder. GSP-8 operation demonstration. After getting the new device, press to see if the screen is displayed. If not displayed, turn over equipment. You can see the buckle under the device. Press clip. The lid pops off automatically. Open the lid. Remove the insulating paper from the back of the device. The lid sticks first. Close the lid. After installation, click the button to check whether it is normal. Double-click the installation file to install ELITechLog software. Click Next and receive the agreement to install. Then go back to the desktop. Double-click to open ELITechLog. If double-click fails to open, can right-click the mouse. Select Run as administrator. Then need to connect the device to the computer. Please use original data line, or a data line with a data transfer function. A lot of line only charge. Software automatic identification device. Click the setting button above. Enter the parameter setting page of the device. Set logging interval, how often data is recorded, set according to requirements. Set logging duration, set the number of days that data can be recorded based on requirements. Only one of the logging interval and logging duration can be set. Set time zone. Set the start recording mode, immediate start, press button and time start. Immediate start recording immediately after saving the parameter. Press button. You can set whether to enable the start delay function, how long after the device starts to record data. Time star, you need to set the start time. Set high and low temperature limits. After exceeding, it will alarm. While in the exported data document, red is displayed if the temperature is high or blue is displayed if the temperature is low. Trip code, the code of this record. Trip description, the description of this record. Click Advanced. Set temperature unit, degrees Celsius / degrees Fahrenheit. Set up the PDF reporting language. Set sensor type. Internal, show temperature only. External, plug in an external probe to display temperature and humidity. Set screen display time, set the on-screen time as required. Set whether to press the button to stop recording. Set whether to allow temporary PDF. When the device is plugged into the computer during the recording process, the USB drive can generate reports without suspending the recording. Set whether to allow backlights. Set whether to allow repeated startup, press the button to open the record repeatedly. Set whether to allow circular logging, when data is full, new data overwrites old data. Set button tone, whether the tone is allowed to be turned on. Set alarm logging interval shorten, set alarm recording interval according to requirements. Set audible alarm, according to the requirements of their own settings. Click multiple alarms. Alarm, select 3 high 2 low temperature alarm, 1 high 1 low humidity alarm. Alarm threshold, high and low limits. Alarm type, single or cumulative. Alarm delay, how long the alarm lasts beyond the limit. No alarm delay, once the temperature exceeds the threshold, the alarm status is displayed immediately. Set alarm delay. 1. Single alarm, a single consecutive alarm exceeds the preset alarm delay, the alarm status will be displayed. 2. Cumulative alarm, a single consecutive or multiple cumulative alarm time exceeds the set alarm delay, the alarm status will be displayed. Then click Save Parameters. Wait a minute. When the parameters are set successfully, click OK to start using it by unplugging the computer. Press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds. Start record. The triangle symbol displayed in the upper left corner indicates the start of recording. At the bottom of the screen is the number of data entries recorded since starting. Short press of button. At the top of the screen is the maximum temperature and humidity since starting. At the bottom of the screen is the current time. Repress the button. At the top of the screen is the minimum temperature and humidity since starting. At the bottom of the screen is the month and day. Press again to display the average temperature and humidity since starting. Press again to display upper temperature and humidity limit of setting. Press again to display lower temperature and humidity limit of setting. Stop the device recording if necessary. Press and hold the device button for 5 seconds. The square symbol displayed in the upper left corner means stop recording. Plug the device into USB and connect it to the computer. Software automatic identification device. Upload data into software. Don't do anything during the upload. Waiting to complete. If not uploaded successfully, Click the Reload Data button on the left to upload again. After successful upload, click the Export Data button below. If want to choose a time to record data, click the Filter Data button on lower right corner. And choose the format want to export. Select the location of the file download on it. Open the downloaded documents. View device information data charts and details. Red data is the data exceeding the upper limit temperature. Blue data are data that exceed the lower limit temperature. If need to view previously exported data, click the database button above. Find the corresponding data according to the model, data name, etc., and then double-click to display the data graph and list. Click on the Export Data button below. The following situations require reconfiguration. 1. Device replaced the battery. 2. Data memory full stop, need to restart. 3. Device is suspended and wants to start again. These all need to be reset before starting recording. Before device reset, be sure to plug in a computer. Export device data and back it up. Otherwise, the data will be erased. After making a backup, click on Quick Reset in the lower left corner. Can quickly revert to the last configuration. Simultaneous formatting of data. System automatic synchronization time. And can start recording again. Unplug the device. Press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds. The triangle symbol displayed in the upper left corner indicates the start of recording.